GPX stands for GPS Exchange Format. It's an XML text file that draws a path on a map. You can upload it to Google Earth or view it in Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the trail. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful GPX file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. In the hierarchy of files, the GPX is categorized under the GIS file grouping. The file operates using the encoding model of GPS Exchange File. The GPX file type stands for GPS Exchange Format. It is an XML-based file format used as a common interchange format for geographic data, specifically waypoints, routes, and tracks, between GPS devices and software. Developed by TopoGrafix, the design follows a strict XML schema, providing a standardized human-readable format for sharing geospatial information. The GPX format was designed to be handled by Get It from GNOME. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows cannot interpret GIS datasets, so specialized GIS programs are essential for use. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the GPX file and select Open With. If Get It is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. If the GPX file won't budge, stay calm. Because your GPX file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, use GPS software. Open the file using Garmin BaseCamp, Google Earth, or an online GPX viewer. Next, check file integrity. If the file won't load, open it in a text editor to ensure the XML structure is complete and not corrupted. Finally, convert to KML CSV. Use a GPS utility tool to convert the GPX file to KML or CSV. If the trial and error phase fails, the issue requires a dedicated universal viewer. It's time to use the straightforward solution worth trying for stubborn GPX files. For guaranteed results, the one-click GPX fix is File Magic. It opens almost any format imaginable. Find the program at filemagic.com. If you found this solution to be the most efficient one online, please like the video and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.